Today I installed the LED lights. They are the LED bulbs of turn signals. Front side, also on back side, which 50 watts resistors on the back. There are the LED bulbs. These turn signals are very beautiful, really good work, Chinese. And there are the mirror bulbs. Everything now working, no errors, but if maybe someone tell me how to install the stoplight LED bulbs, because when I put their LEDs they light at 100% strenght, so the brake pedal don't work because nothing change if I push brake. So that's the problem. I can't find working LEDs. Maybe someone of you have know how to fix that. And some inside. Of course, every button, every LED light was changed here. Everything was put to the white and some blue and red. No ugly standard punto color.